Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can play music on your Google Nest Mini speaker. So we got like 3 ways. The first one, we can make it on the Google Home application. So select our speaker and then tap to cast my audio and select this button. Click to start right now and you will hear this notification sound. You can open right now any services. And for example, we can play this one. So we can make it manually, just like that. And we can also click right here to stop casting and we can make the voice command. So let's try to make it. Hey Google, play Justin Timberlake Mirrors.
Alright, Mirrors by Justin Timberlake. Here it is on YouTube Music.
So as you can see, the voice command is also working. For sure, you have to set up the Google voice recognition for your Google Assistant if it is not working for you. And there's also one quick information about this casting right here. So if this button is not working for you, you are tapping on it and there is this notification that you can confirm to cast audio. I can recommend you to simply reboot your phone. That's how it works in my case. So I had this problem and I just simply power off the device and then turn it on and everything was fine. And there's also the last method. So when we select our speaker and then go to the settings, we can go for the recognition and the sharing. Oh, I mean, it was on the notifications. No, sorry guys, that's my bad. Yeah, we have to go for the audio. I just forgot about this feature, where it's located, and we have to go to the paired Bluetooth devices. And when we enable the pairing mode, we can connect this speaker by using the Bluetooth settings to our phone. So right now, when you go to the Bluetooth settings and tap to pair new device, you can just find your speaker to be visible for the Bluetooth devices. And as you can see right now, everything is fine. And right now we are connected and we can also play sound right here. And it also comes from our speaker. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.